My background's aerospace. I'm an engineer, spent a lot of my time around Boeing and Airbus, Cathay Pacific, a whole raft of other customers, and about 10 years of my life. The most interesting thing about that is 80% of an aeroplane engine is remanufactured. And yet the number one consideration in aviation, of course, is safety. Remanufactured parts isn't like a used car versus a new car. Remanufacturing can actually improve the performance of parts. So when you think about these parts that were designed, developed and manufactured 10, 12, 15 years ago, actually what you can do over the intervening time is sample a lot of parts and understand the failure modes and actually design out those failure modes. So you can actually bring to market a product that's better than the original.
How green really is green energy? Whenever I go to a wind farm, I'm always on the lookout for waste, whether that's behind a substation or in a skip or hidden away in a container. But waste really tells us what the issues are with wind turbines. Waste in the wind industry, due to traditional linear approach to parts supply, is no longer sustainable or acceptable. Procurement behaviour needs to change away from replacing parts with new and look towards recirculation where possible. Renewable Parts Limited has developed an extensive catalogue of refurbishment solutions to support the wind industry. With a circular approach to parts supply, we divert hundreds of tonnes of waste from landfill each year and into our refurbishment loops. The benefits of refurb are clear. By keeping parts close to the point of use, you can reduce cost, lead time and increase parts availability. Take a look at your supply chain today and start making positive changes towards a sustainable green energy supply.
More than 800,000 tons of wind turbines parts are to be scrapped potentially by 2035 if circular practices are not applied to the wind energy field. It's around the weight of 100 Eiffel Towers, and it's a waste that we cannot afford both economically and environmentally. Today, we visited one of the renewable parts plants here in Scotland, a facility that refurbishes and remanufactures parts of the wind turbines to their original as new conditions. Businesses like Renewable Parts have been leading the way and are keeping on proving to customers how remanufactured products are equal or even better for quality and performance to new products. Ultimately, you cannot be committed to net zero without being committed to circularity.